Hi everyone, Mrs. Patel, Dane here. So today's assignment, I'm actually going to have you sort and organize kind of like cards on our OneNote. So normally what I would have you do is I would have these on a piece of paper and you and your partners would move them all around, move around the little pieces of paper and to figure out what made sense. Again, we call these card sorts. So we're just trying to think of a new creative way to do this. And so what I've come up with is all the way down here. This essentially is a timeline of the changing of how our thinking of what the model, or sorry, what the atom looks like. So it goes dates back to 1803, even earlier than that actually, up to about 1932. So here on this table, this is your timeline. We've got obviously your time, the different types of models, the atoms, nucleus, and electrons. So down here is essentially like your word bank or your choices of what you're going to put in there. But instead of having to type it, you're just going to cut it and paste it. So these are all in random order across the row as well. So the model choices will go into this first row right here where it says model. And say for example, I'm like, oh, this one looks like it's like the most advanced, maybe that happened most recently. And so I'm going to hit Control X, click right into the box where I want to put it into, and hit Control V. And then maybe I'm like, oh, maybe this guy, and I'm randomizing this for you guys right now. Maybe this guy came first. Right? So that's what I'm doing. And then you're using up your choices. You're going to do the same thing with the atom. So this next row is for the atom, and these are your choices for the atom. So say after reading this, you're like, these all like, maybe this one out of that one came in first, so I will put it right there. And again, Control X to cut it, and Control V to paste it right in. By the way, I'm not saying that these are correct or incorrect by any means of what I've just put in, but I just wanted to show you guys how to do that. Again, so Control X to cut, and Control V to paste right into it. Have a great day. Good luck on this. Take care.